Welcome to GrowFin. Today, we're diving deep into the future of Ethereum, one of the most exciting cryptocurrencies. Let's explore what 2025 could bring for Ethereum, with plain and clear insights anyone can understand. What is Ethereum? Imagine a computer that never turns off, handles millions of transactions, and runs programs without the need for a company or government to oversee it. That's Ethereum. It's a blockchain platform where developers can build decentralized applications dApps using smart contracts, self-executing contracts written in code. Unlike Bitcoin, which is primarily digital money, Ethereum serves as the foundation for apps like DeFi, decentralized finance, NFTs, non-fungible tokens, and many more. A brief history of Ethereum. How did a simple idea from a 19-year-old in 2013 become a global financial system by 2025? Ethereum launched in 2015, and it quickly became the go-to platform for developers building decentralized apps. During the ICO initial coin offering boom in 2017, Ethereum's price skyrocketed to around $1,400. The DeFi movement in 2020 further boosted Ethereum's popularity, helping it reach a height of over $4,800 by 2021. However, high transaction fees became a major issue, which led to the development of Ethereum 2.0, an upgrade that is set to solve these problems. Ethereum 2.0, the future of the network. What if the internet could be faster, more secure, and powered by everyday users instead of big companies? Ethereum 2.0 is bringing that dream closer to reality. This upgrade aims to improve Ethereum's scalability, security, and efficiency. The shift from proof-of-work POW to proof-of-stake POS reduces energy usage by 99%, while sharding will increase Ethereum's capacity by dividing the network into smaller parts. These updates will allow Ethereum to handle thousands of transactions per second, making it cheaper and faster to use by 2025. Price predictions for Ethereum in 2025. Will Ethereum hit $6,000, $10,000, or even $20,000? By 2025, Ethereum could see major price increases thanks to its ongoing technological upgrades and growing adoption. Conservative estimates suggest Ethereum may reach around $6,000, while some experts believe it could go as high as $10,000 or even more. Ethereum's role in DeFi, NFTs, and the rise of institutional interest will be key drivers of its growth. Factors that will drive Ethereum's growth in 2025. From controlling your finances to owning digital art, Ethereum is set to revolutionize everything we know about online ownership. Ethereum is the main platform for decentralized finance DeFi, which lets people borrow, lend, and trade without banks. NFTs, unique digital assets, are also growing in popularity, with Ethereum leading the way. Institutions are showing more interest in Ethereum too, especially for staking, where they can earn returns by locking up their ETH. Ethereum's competitors. Ethereum may be leading the race, but there are a few strong contenders in the blockchain world. Solana is known for its fast and cheap transactions, making it a popular alternative for dApps and DeFi. Cardano focuses on security and a scientific approach to development, while Polkadot allows different blockchains to communicate with each other. These blockchains pose a challenge to Ethereum's dominance, but Ethereum's upcoming upgrades could help it maintain its lead. Potential risks for Ethereum in 2025. Every success story comes with challenges. Ethereum faces potential risks from government regulations, which could limit its use in certain countries. Technical challenges could also arise during the Ethereum 2.0 upgrade, causing delays or issues. Additionally, competitors offering cheaper and faster alternatives could pull developers away from Ethereum. Despite these risks, Ethereum's large community and constant upgrades keep it well-positioned for success. Conclusion: Ethereum's bright future. From reshaping finance to powering the digital art world, Ethereum's future is as bright as ever. Ethereum 2.0 is solving many of the network's problems, like high fees and slow transactions, making it more scalable and efficient. With DeFi, NFTs, and growing institutional interest, Ethereum is set to dominate the blockchain space in 2025. Although there are risks, Ethereum's adaptability and strong developer community make it a leading player in the future of decentralized finance and technology. Thanks for watching GrowFin. If you found this deep dive into Ethereum's future useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the world of cryptocurrency and finance. Stay tuned for more exciting content.